Hey guys, and welcome back to Nisha's Corner. As you know, I'm going to be washing this chicken up. Today I'm going to show you how I make this delicious one pan chicken and rice recipe. It was so easy to make and so delicious, and I can't wait for you guys to see how I make it. So of course I'm going to wash up my chicken. Y'all know it's just what I do. You can do what you do. Just like this, and then we're just going to get it nice and seasoned and ready to go. So I'm going to use some jerk marinade that I made that's also on my channel. You can check that recipe out. I'm also going to use some Spicy Girl. You don't have to use homemade. You can buy it from the store, or you can definitely just season the chicken how you prefer. I'm using the jerk marinade because I'm trying to get whatever I have in my refrigerator out of my house. Christmas is coming and I need everything nice and cleaned out. In that bowl over there, I have a red bell pepper, poblano pepper, onion. I got granulated garlic, onion powder, chili powder, cream of broccoli, chicken broth, water, and yeah. So this is what the poblano pepper looks like. I just wanted to show it to you guys. You know, expand your palate. You know, try something new. It's not a hot pepper. It's just really delicious. So I'm gonna rinse my rice about 2 or 3 times, and then we're gonna get to cooking. Alright, so first I'm going to start by searing my chicken on each side until it's golden or have a nice crust on it. You're not trying to cook the chicken all the way through at this point. Don't even worry about it. If it's not cooked, it does not matter. All you want is color. Please don't mess this up, y'all. All you want is color. You don't need to cook the chicken. Get some color on there. Don't get no thermometer. Get some color on the chicken. Flip it over just like I'm doing right here. Do exactly what I'm doing. You see all that nice fond in the bottom of the pan? That's what you need. I got rid of the oil. I added 2 tablespoons of butter. Now I'm adding the veggies and I'm going to cook those down. At this point right here, I swear to y'all, I wanted to make smothered chicken so bad and change my recipe because of all that beautiful fond on the bottom of the pan. The gravy would have been so beautiful and so pretty, but hey, I stuck with the plan and here we are. So I added my rice and my seasonings. You want to saute this up together as well, which is the onion powder, garlic powder, and chili powder. Again, you can season this however you want to. You want to mix it up. Look how pretty that is because of the fond on the bottom of the pan. But like I said, y'all, I wanted to make that smothered chicken so bad. But I was like, nah, don't do it, girl. So you want to mix up your rice like this. Get it nice and toasty for about 3 minutes or so. And then I'm going to add my chicken broth as well as my cream of broccoli. You can use cream of chicken if you prefer, but cream of broccoli is what was taking up the space in my pantry. I had to get rid of it, child. So I use half of the can, some water, mix it up. You want to bring this back up to a boil. At this point, you can also taste it. Make sure you taste it. If it tastes good, then you're good. If you know you need salt, pepper, and whatever else, this is the point that you add it. Next, I'm going to add all my chicken back in. Get a little bit of that gravy on top of the chicken. I'm going to cover it and allow it to cook, and I'll show you guys what that looks like. And this is what it looks like, you guys. Ooh, can you imagine you put this on your dining table with your family and open that top and they see this? Like, I cannot. It was super dirt cheap to make. This meal is actually $10. The chicken thighs are on sale and the rice is like, you know, pennies to $1. You know, it's so easy and simple to make, and it can feed up to like 6 people. So I'm serving this up with some salad, just some lettuce and tomato. I'm going to add some ranch. And that's it. Like, that's dinner right there. And I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. It was so delicious. It tasted slightly smoky from the chili powder and the jerk seasoning. And, ooh, my mouth is watering. And the chicken thigh was so tender. I hope you guys make this recipe. If you do, tag me, let me know what you think. I love you guys, and I'll catch you on my next one. Bye, y'all.